Okay, guys, as you know, we see miracles every day here at Prince Health and Wellness, and I have our new patient, Kathy, whose daughter told her about our practice. And before she came in, tell us what you were smelling.
Like gasoline or like the old antique cars at Astroworld, the fumes from that. That's
Okay.
what I would smell constantly.
Not a really good smell.
No.
Okay, but when I just adjusted her, she said, I don't think I smell
I
gasoline
don't smell
right now.
it anymore. And I also had a weird taste.
And that's gone.
Yeah, it's like, yeah, there's just nothing.
Okay, but now let's test you.
Yes.
Okay, so I'm gonna put a little bit of this here and tell us what you smell.
Peppermint.
Okay.
Or some kind of mint.
Yes,
Yeah.
peppermint. So would you have been able to smell that before?
No. Everything, because I tried essential oils before and it would smell like, chemically.
Okay.
Chemically. Oh, I can't talk to you.
Let's try this one.
I can't make the smell out, but citrus, is it citrus?
It is. It's lemon.
Yeah, it still smells a little, it doesn't smell like lemon to me, but I can tell it's citrus.
Citrus.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, guys, if you know anyone struggling, come and see us. God bless you.